What is it that you want? Next question. What actions do you need to take to achieve this? Next. What are the results of your action? Next. Is this feedback accurate? And lastly, can I filter the feedback? So tanongin mo ang sarili mo, hindi lamang sa halalan o sa politika, kung hindi sa sarili mong profesyon o career mo. Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo sa buhay? Kuha ka ng goal, yung hinahabol mo sa buhay. Hindi ibang taong patikos tayo ng patikos, kung hindi sarili natin gumawa tayo ng standards natin o ng goals natin. I-observe mo sarili mo. Magaling ba ako sa opisina, hinahanap ako palagi ng boss ko pag importante ang ginagawa, o baliwala lang ako at wala naman nag-aanap sa akin pag absent ako. Self-reward. When I have successfully completed a task, I often reward myself with something I like. Self-reward is a very good mechanism for encouraging yourself. Life can be a drudgery. You go to work, same things happen, same people are greeted. More or less, your career is fixed for life. So, dapat, bigyan mo naman ng reward and punishment ang sarili mo. Pag magaling ang performance mo, give yourself a reward, maybe only a chocolate bar, or maybe going shopping at the weekend. Practice self-leadership and be excellent. Kaya mo yan. Pero naman ang problema, I assure you from my own personal experience, there is a solution. All that we need is to believe in ourselves. Maniwala tayo sa sarili nating kakayahan. Maniwala ka sa sarili mo, ang kaya nila, kaya mo rin. Mas may kaya ka pa, hindi mo lang alam. At we must remember that after all is said and done, there is a God in this universe. This God has counted every hair on your head. So don't ever feel that you are alone, that you are all alone, because there is an ultimate love and an ultimate justice at the end of our mortal lives. As the poet said, God moves in mysterious ways. God moves in mysterious ways. His wonders to perform. He plants his footsteps on the sea and rides upon the storm. Deep in unfathomable minds of never-failing skill, he treasures up his bright designs and works his sovereign will. Thank you.